So checking po if you can hear me on your end. Can you give me a thumbs up or heart reaction if you can hear me po loud and clear? Okay, thank you so much po for your confirmation. So, again po, good morning everyone. So, to our dear parents joining us right now, if we have like teachers or administrators, if we have any joining us today, Dr. Rose and my colleagues, a warm welcome to all of you. So, I am Ram. One of the customer success officers of CNE Adaptive Learning Solutions or SEALS. And again po, thank you so much for joining us today. We're really happy po to see you parents taking time to be part of this webinar designed for you. So today po, we will talk about something very important. So as parents, what should you look for when choosing a smart reading tool for your child? So yung mga features po na i-highlight ko po later are the features that or what make digital reading tools truly effective in helping kids develop their reading skills and love for learning. So, to guide you po better, let's go through the key features you should look out. Um, for this smart reading tools, and this will help you decide which digital reading tool can truly support your child's reading journey. So now let's start. So here are the tools or feature to look for. Okay, first is so here, first po is yung mga interactive e-books and reading apps. So digitalized na po tayo ngayon, right? So marami na pong apps and mga e-books po kayo. I think you're already familiar po with that. So these are more than just digital books. So yung mga students, they can read stories aloud, explain difficult words, and even ask your child questions as they go. So many also use videos, music, and animations to make stories more engaging and to simplify complex or yung mga mahirap po na mga idea. So, interactive ebooks po, nakakatulong po to sa mga students or sa mga kids niyo po to better understand yung content po ng mga books. Okay? So, second feature po na you should look for is text to speech. So reading and writing po support for your children who may struggle with reading or writing. So these features are essentially or especially valuable. Text to speech can read words po out loud to support pronunciation, while speech to text allows kids to say their ideas and see them written on the screen. So this basically po builds confidence and helps strengthen literacy skills. Okay? So the third feature po would be gamified learning. So yung mga bata po, yung mga anak niyo po, I'm sure mahilig po silang maglaro. So yung mga books po natin ngayon, yung mga e-books, pwede na po silang i-gamify. So some tools po turn reading into a fun challenge. So children earn points, may mga badges or rewards as they read. So what's even better po is that these applications often adjust the level of difficulty based on your child's progress. So, yung experience po na binibigay ng ganong feature will make their reading both fun and educational at the same time. So, hindi lang po yung laro. So, magbibigay po yun, yung experience na yun na for sure, it'll be educational for them as well. So, fourth po is analytical tools. So, we also have yung mga progress tracking and instant feedback po. So, one of the most powerful features is progress tracking. So, you parents po can see how your child reads or how well they comprehend or naiintindihan po ba nila yung mga binabasa nila and where they may need extra support. So, yung feedback po natin is instant. May mga tools na po or smart reading tools na nagbibigay po ng mga ganitong feature. So, the feedback po is mabilis na lang. So, yung mga bata po or yung mga anak niyo po can continue to improve step by step, which is a good thing. 'Di ba po? So, for the fifth one, so we have like online forums and support. So, this is the last feature. So, yung mga online book po, like online book clubs or forums, so it means that reading doesn't have to be a solitary activity. So with online books po, clubs, and discussion forums, children can share their thoughts with peers or yung mga classmates po nila, friends from around the world. So this encourages reflection, critical thinking, and deeper understanding of what they read. So hindi lang po sila basta magbabasa. Of course, they have to think po or they have to like study or intindihin yung mga binabasa po nila. So these are po the features that make smart reading tools so effective in supporting children's learning. Okay, so we have five po again. So we have interactive ebooks, we have text to speech, gamified learning, analytical tools, and for the fifth one, we have online forums and support. So for the next slide po, okay. So now we'll introduce you po the reading and library solutions that we have here at Skills. So we'll introduce you to Amira. So I know some of you is familiar po with this platform or digital solution reading platform. Next po is we have Mayon. So I think yung mga taga Obelisk po natin or Oil Home, familiar po kayo sa Mayon, right? So, next one po is, of course, Picatail. I think Picatail po si Obelisk. If I'm not mistaken, hindi po pala Mayon. So, we'll introduce you po to this digital or reading digital platform. So, that can help your children grow reading comprehension and overall literacy skills. So, first po, let's start with Amira. Okay? So what is Amira Learning? So as you can see here po, so it's an AI-powered reading tutor. So basically po, Amira is an AI-powered reading tutor. So I think you're familiar po with AI, no? Sino po yung mga familiar sa AI? Yung mga naririnig niyo po sa news, right? Or mga nababasa niyo po sa social media. I think some of you is familiar po with AI. So, so with yan si Miss Mary Ann, thank you so much po. So, AI po, powered reading tutor. So that's truly changing how like children learn to read and master fluency. So think of her as your child's own personal patient coach. So she's just right there, listening as your child reads aloud, providing instant and supportive help exactly when they need it. So Amira will carefully track your child's progress every step of the way. So the best part po, Amira works seamlessly with the reading program your school already uses to build those essential skills one step at a time. So, how does Amira make reading practice both fun and effective for your child? So, first po, so highlighting here yung mga features po ni Amira. So, real quick, Amira provides instant and real-time support. Ayan. So she listens po and gives immediate feedback just like a human tutor would. So when your child stumbles over a word or nagkamali po sila ng pag-pronounce, ng pagbasa, si Amira po magpo-provide po siya ng helpful tip right away, real time po, to keep them reading and prevent frustration. So this quick personalized assistance is absolutely key to building confidence. So it's very helpful po for your child. So this instant support po leads directly into our second major benefit, which is to provide personalized practice with interactive tools. So, how does that happen po? So, because Amira is always listening and tracking, she knows po exactly yung skill na dapat ma-improve ng student or ng bata. So, this means she can customize the practice, give them targeted help instead of wasting time on things they already know. So, plus po, kids get access to great interactive tool like word help, correct pronunciation. May mga pronunciation guides and quick comprehension checks to reinforce learning. And finally, all this engaging, personalized practice naturally leads to visible growth po for the kids and also flexibility. So your children can see their own reading growth on their progress. They have this reading or progress dashboard in the platform. So which helps them celebrate how much and how well they are reading. So and for you naman po parents, the good news is that Amira fits right into your family's routine kasi yung Amira po pwede po siyang gamitin at school, after school, and then at home as well. So for that crucial extra practice, Amira is always ready to help your child read their best. So on the slide po, the next slide, let me play po a short video so that you can visualize it. So you can visualize how Amira works. Okay? So please kindly manage po the volume on your end and let me know po if hindi niyo po naririnig yung audio. Okay? So here's Amira po.
Hi, I'm Amira, your AI reading tutor and teacher assistant. I help kids become confident readers, anytime, anywhere. I listen as kids read out loud, just like a real tutor. If they get stuck, I jump in with real-time assistance, helping them sound out words, giving hints, and keeping them on track. I use the science of reading to strengthen skills step by step. Just like the reading rope, I help weave these skills together to build strong, skilled readers. I also track progress, giving teachers and parents real-time insights into reading skills, so no one gets left behind. I even screen for dyslexia risk in just minutes. My assessments help identify students who may need extra support, so they can get the help they need right away. Whether at home or in school, I make learning fun, personalized, and effective. Let's get this reading party started. For more info, please contact us at customersuccess@cebookshop.com.
So, ayan po, nakita niyo na po si Amira. So, siya po yung AI tutor po natin. So, for you, dear parents, Amira po is a powerful tool that brings peace of mind. So, as it quickly builds reading fluency and confidence po in your child. You'll also get a clear report so you can easily see their growth, kung ano pong ginagawa nila, kung nag improve po ba sila, and understand po yung mga areas na might need a little extra attention po. So she's a great help for struggling readers and students who are learning English. And what's good about this po is even in short regular sessions. So just 30 minutes po weekly. So imagine that we have 7 days, 30 minutes lang po weekly and do it consistently, all it takes to see real results. But again, I'd like to highlight po that they have to do it consistently. So 30 minutes lang po na reading time. May makikita na po kayong improvement sa mga bata. So now, let's move on to the next reading solution that I'll highlight po, which is MyOn. So, what is MyOn? So, MyOn po is a digital library. So, in today's digital world, lahat po digital na. Like, almost everything is digital already. So, it promotes a love for reading and is more important than ever. So, we're thrilled to introduce you to MyOn, and it's a truly incredible digital library designed to ignite and nurture your child's passion for books or stories. So Mayon po basically it's a vast digital library packed with thousands of engaging books that your students can access anytime, anywhere, whether they are online or even offline. So what makes my onpo truly special is how smart it is. So it actually recommends book specifically based on your child's unique interest and their current reading level. So it's like having a personal librarian just for them. So kung natatandaan niyo po, when you are studying, dear parents, 'di ba, binibigay lang po sa atin books, mga handouts. So ngayon po with this kind of digital platform, personalized po siya. So ipapabasa sa iyo yung mga books na right for you, yung hindi po masyadong madali, hindi rin po siya masyadong mahirap for your own growth. So that's one of the things that my on, consider. So what exactly they can do in this digital library? So first po, it provides personalized recommendation with built-in tools. So imagine po yung book that are perfectly match to your child's age. So their current reading level po and even their favorite topic. So whether that's space or history, math, science, that's what our personalized recommendations deliver. So this ensures for every book they pick is one they can read and one they want to read. Kasi yung iba hindi nagbabasa kasi ayaw po nila ng topic, right? So with my own, it's personalized, makakapili po sila ng mga books na ah, na gusto po nilang basahin. And once they find that perfect book, we focus on the second point. So, active learning and comprehension. So, as your child engages with the story, they have amazing built-in tools. So, right after their fingertips po, they can look up a word with an integrated library, or I mean, not library, dictionary po. So, highlight po yung mga passage or use digital sticky notes with a personal journal. So, this personalized engagement po and active learning lead to measurable growth and flexibility for your family. So, this is the progress dashboard, just like Amira po. This kind of dashboards let kids see their journey. So they can celebrate how much time they've spent reading, how many books they've finished, and watch their reading level climb. So they can even read po, rate, review books. So which encourages critical thinking, not just reading. So they can do a lot of things po. And the very best part for busy families is anytime access. Ayun po yung very important, right? So yung makaka-access po sila ng books kahit wala pong internet connection. So with the MyOn app, reading is truly limitless. So it works online po or offline. So now, on the next slide, let me play po a short video on how MyOn works. Okay? So again po, kindly check po the volume po of your device. So please give me po a thumbs up if you can hear po the audio. Thank you.
Not all screen time is created equally. Meet Sophia. She is curious and has many interests. She loves outer space and sea life and has a lot of questions about the world around her. With MyOn, Sophia can explore these topics and many more with a whole library's worth of books in the palm of her hands. With MyOn, all students have an equal opportunity to read and grow. Kids of all ages can read books as often as they want, whenever they want, offline or with low bandwidth internet, and that match their interests and ability levels. Students who read authentic text at the just right level enjoy reading more. That's why MyOn provides an adaptive placement and interest survey to deliver recommendations just for them. With an always growing core collection of over 7,000 authentic books and more than 8,800 add-on publisher titles, there's something for every reader to enjoy. And adding MyOn News gives kids 5 age-appropriate articles every weekday, 52 weeks of the year. MyOn brings books to life with supportive tools.
There are 7 kinds of sea turtles in the world
that help students connect meaningfully with text and their teachers. These tools and projects centered around reading and writing skills help enrich classroom activities across the curriculum. Real-time data about students' reading activities helps teachers motivate, differentiate, and celebrate kids' growth throughout the school year. We know the more access to high quality reading kids have, the more their reading improvements shine. Mayan gives them the very best screen time, anytime or anywhere.
So, ayan po si Mayon. So, it encourages po a love for reading by making the discovery of new books exciting and personal. And it naturally promotes a strong reading passion that extends beyond the classroom wall. So, this excitement po is what helps your children build consistent, enjoyable reading habits that they will carry with them every day. So my Unpa makes reading fun and it's personalized and easily trackable, helping your kids grow into confident readers while giving you clear, actionable ways to support them every step of the way. So at this point, pa, we have one more exciting reading solution to share with you, especially for our younger or struggling readers. So we'll introduce you to Picatail, and it's a platform that takes reading immersion to the next level. So using interactive storybooks and engaging narration, stay tuned to see how Picatail can provide another fantastic pathway to reading success. So now let's have Picatail. So Picatail gives your children access to a safe online library. So just like my own po. So Picatail is filled with vibrant storybooks, engaging factual books, and essential learning material. So it's built po to make reading exciting again. All while providing schools and you po, yung families niyo po with the tools to closely track the reading progress. So Picatail is packed po with features, especially designed to turn reading into like an adventure po for your children. So first po, let's talk about finding the perfect book. So we provide a massive library, over 2,500 books from trusted publishers. So meaning po your child will never run out of exciting options. So hindi po sila mawawalan ng options po sa mga book kasi we have po yung vast or massive po na number of books or library. So, but we don't just overwhelm them. Every book po is categorized by age and reading level, ensuring they always find the right challenge. So this is very important po na yung book po hindi po masyadong mahirap sa kanila. For example, grade 3 po yung anak ninyo tapos pagbabasahin siya. For example, sa school ng pang grade 7 or pang high school. So that's not actually will help them po to grow their confidence. So with Picatail po, bibigay po si Picatail ng mga books that's not too hard and not too easy for them. So yung right lang po na challenge for them. Um that match their age po. So once they have that perfect book in hand, the magic of interactive reading begins. Ayan po. So this is where Picatail read truly shines po as a reading platform. So the read or listen options are a game changer. So your child po can choose to read independently, listen to engaging professional narration, or follow along as the text is highlighted word by word. So this feature po is especially fantastic for emergent or struggling readers. After they finish po, we have na po yung mga quizzes and interactive features appear to instantly reinforce learning po or matulungan po si student na ma-improve or ma-boost po yung comprehension niya. So there's no boring worksheets po dito sa Picatil. So finally po, we prioritize safety and flexibility. So for your family po, you never have to worry about content because Picatail is a completely safe, child-friendly environment with only kid-appropriate materials. Plus, we know life is busy. So our flexible access means the application works even offline once books are downloaded. So it's designed po to be simple, safe, and effective for every family. So now on the next slide po, I'll play a short video po again so you'd better have a clear idea po on what pigtail is. Okay, so here.
Top 10 destructive volcano eruptions. Fire beneath our feet. Earth is made of 2 layers of rock and stone. One of them is the surface. Beehive. Honeycomb.
Okay po, so that's it for Picatail po. So again, it makes reading easier and more fun and also more effective for your children. Okay, so now po for the next part. So parents, we've talked through 3 powerful tools today. So we have Amira, Mayon, and Picatail. So each of this smart reading tool offers a unique path to reading success for your kids. So as we conclude po, let's take a look at how they compare across the most impactful features for your child. And as I have mentioned earlier, these are the smart reading tools that we should look for. So first po, we have smart reading tools. Okay, we have Amira, Renaissance Mayon, and then Picatail. We have interactive books. Ito po yung mga features, text-to-speech, analytical tools, online forums and support, and gamified learning. So these features po will help your child to be more confident readers. So tignan po natin if meron po si Amira, si Mayon, si Picatail ng mga ganitong features. So for interactive ebooks po, yan, lahat po sila meron. Si Amira, check, Mayon, and then also Picatail. Text-to-speech po, ayan, meron po din silang lahat. Analytical tools, meron din po, check. And then for online forums and support, meron din po. And for the last one, gamified learning, eto po yung mga gustong-gusto ng mga kids ngayon, meron po silang lahat. So, you can see po that these aren't just digital books. They are intelligent reading systems designed for growth. So, Amira po is your personal tutor or your child's personal tutor, focusing on that deep one-on-one reading and writing support through AI-driven instant feedback. Picatail po excels with its interactive ebooks. Mayon po provides the breadth, giving your child thousands of books with um, progress tracking and ensure continuous exploration po and skill development. So you now have access po to a suite of tools that make reading measurable, personalized, and engaging. So every journey po starts with a single step and every confident reader starts with the right support. So today po, you've gained more than just apps. You've gained a team po of personalized coaches ready to launch your kids into a lifetime of reading success. So that's it po with my presentation. Thank you po for listening. I'll now pass the floor po to Miss May again. Thank you so much po, dear parents.
Thank you, Ms. Ram, for that very informative session of our webinar. I think all of the parents are curious now on what are the digital solutions that their school's child has enrolled. Do you know the digital solutions that your child has, parents? Can we get a response in the chat box? Which of the parents in the webinar now knows about Mayon already? Can we get a heart reaction? And for those who already know Picatail, how about a thumbs up? And lastly, for those who already know Amira Learning, can we get a tada reaction or a confetti reaction? Nice, nice. Okay, I think all of the parents have really known better about all of the skills, reading, and library solutions. But for those who have questions, we are opening the Zoom floor for any questions. We will give you a few moments to think and to totally grasp all of the info that Miss Ram has already shared with us so that we can entertain some of your questions in the chat box.